Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today on this video we are going to see how can we make our files or folder password protected. For making the password protected we are going to use one external software called WinRAR. So without wasting the time, let's learn how can we make the file or folder password protected. First of all, download the software called WinRAR. For that, open any browser you have. I am opening the Microsoft Edge. Search for the WinRAR. Visit the first official link. Click on download. Again click on download and it will start downloading the file. If the download has not been started automatically, you can click here. After downloading the file, close the browser. Open the location where your software has been downloaded. Install it. From here you can select the path where you want to install it. I am going to install it in the E drive, so I will change the path. If you don't want to change the path, then you can leave it default and click on install. Click on OK and click on done. Now close everything. Let me first create the file to make the file password protected. I am making the text file and I will write some text. Let me save it. And making the file password protected, just right click here and go to the WinRAR option and click on it to archive. From here select the RAR and click on set password. Here type your password and re-enter your password for the verification and mark the encrypt file names. Click on OK and click on OK. Let me delete the original file. The RAR file is created automatically. Let me try to open it. Now you can see that it is asking me the password to open the file. Let me type the random password and try to open it. It has shown me the wrong password. Now let me enter the right password. You can see that the file has been opened successfully. This is the way to make your file or folder password protected. If you want any other video dedicated on the certain topic, then mention your topic into the comment section. Thank you for watching the video.